In the wake of tragic news of bodies floating in the river Ganga, a public interest litigation has been filed before Supreme Court seeking directions for framing of a policy to protect the rights of the dead and controlling the overcharging for cremations, burials of those who died of COVID-19 and ambulance services. The plea by Distress Management Collective NGO Trust based in Delhi NCR has stressed in the dire need to enact a specific legislation that protects the right of the dead and for issuance of guidelines to all the states and union territories to prescribe rates for cremations and ambulance services along with penal action for non-compliance at the earliest. The plea has been filed taking note of the advisory issued by the National Human Rights Commission on 14th May 2021 for upholding the dignity and protecting the rights of the dead, whereby 11 recommendations have been given to the center and all the state and union territories. Further, the National Human Rights Commission, through a letter to the Union Secretary, Union Health and Family Welfare Secretary, and the Chief Secretaries and administrators of states and union territories, has also asked for the implementation for its recommendation in the advisory and the action taken report within 4 weeks, highlighting the issue of overcharging of crematoriums and ambulance service providers. The plea has stated that these two issues are directly connected with the news of bodies being dumped at River Ganga, as due to exorbitant amounts charged, people decided to put the bodies in River Ganga. The petitioner organization has pointed out that it took up the issue of overcharging by crematoriums and ambulance service providers in Delhi. The High Court of Delhi Distress Management Collective versus Government of NCT of Delhi, where through its order dated 6th May 2021, court gave petitioner the liberty to preferential representation to the concerned municipal corporations. According to the petitioner, when a representation was made to all four municipal corporations on 11th May, by giving reference to the order of the High Court, they were not acknowledged or responded to, which reaffirmed the petitioner's belief no concrete action will be taken by them regulate the overcharging. In view of the fact that issue of floating dead bodies in River Ganga has attracted unwanted global media attention, it is imperative that this honorable apex court directs the center to consider the gravity of the issue and enact a law that ensures dignity and the rights of the dead. The petitioner has cited the Supreme Court's judgment in the cases of Permanent Katara versus Union of India and Ashray Adhikar Abhiyan versus Union of India, where the importance of conferring and respecting dignity of the dead had been highlighted. The present plea has been filed by Advocate Josh Abraham and drawn by Advocates Robin Raju, Blason Matthews, and Deepa Joseph. The NGO, through its petition, has sought the following relief from the top court: direct the respondents to consider formulating a policy that protects the right of the dead. Direct the respondents to advise all the state union territories to frame guidelines that regulates the ongoing overcharging for cremations, burials of those who died due to COVID-19. Direct the respondents to advise all the state union territories to frame guidelines that regulates the ongoing overcharging by ambulance service providers. So the case is Distress Management Collective versus Union